wrestler Vinesh Fogart's wait for the elusive silver continues. The Court of Arbitration for Sports has delayed its verdict on an appeal for a joint silver medal yet again. In fact, the court is now expected to announce its decision on August 16th. Remember, Vinesh had filed an appeal on August 7, challenging her disqualification from the Olympics for paying 100 grams over the 50 kg limit.
5-6 दिन हो गए इस फैसले की इंतजार करते हैं नहीं तारीख पर तारीख जो न मिल रही है इसे क्या है जो हम जो न हर तारीख पर जो न फैसला ये देखते भी हमारे हक में फैसला आएगा खुशी होती है भी आएगा फैसला और बार बार टाइम आगे दिया जाए और चलो इंतजार करेंगे जो CAS जो फैसला जो देगी हमें जो न तय दिल से उसको स्वीकार करेंगे और हमें पूरी आस उम्मीद है कोर्ट से CAS से कि हमारे पक्ष में फैसला जो 144 करोड़ भारतवासी इस चीज़ का फैसले का इंतजार करें हमें उम्मीद है वो फैसला हमारे हक में आएगा और अब सारे भारतवासी से खुश होंगे और जो विनेश यहाँ आएगी तो हम उसका जो 140 करोड़ भारतवासी हम जो उसकी जो स्वागत जो गोल्ड मेडल की तरह स्वागत होता है वह उससे स्वागत करेंगे यही करेंगे।
Well, it has come as a disappointment for over 1 billion fans of Vinesh Fogart who had been enthralled by heroics and were hoping for a favorable verdict to come out from the CAS, especially possibly even a joint and a shared silver medal. But unfortunately, that's not to be. It's Tariq per Tariq for now. And once again, the decision of the arbitrator has been delayed now till Friday 6 p.m. Paris time, which is Friday's 9:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time here. Now, no specific reason has been given for this latest extension, apart from the fact that the sole arbitrator in this case, Dr. Annabel Bennett, requested for an extension, and which is why the ad hoc committee of the CAS has decided to grant her that. Now, one can look at it optimistically, saying that it was supposed to be the odds for getting a favorable verdict were low to begin with, and the default verdict which many expected to come out from the CAS was a rejection of this appeal. And the fact that there has been so much of deliberation and so many deadlines that have been crossed, so many extensions that have been given, indicates the CAS is definitely going through the arguments that have been put forward by Vinesh Fogart's legal team very in a detailed manner, and there possibly seems to be some sort of merit and substance in the legal defense put forward by Vinesh's team, which is forcing at least the CAS to deliberate a lot longer than was initially anticipated, because remember, the verdict was initially supposed to come out before the Olympics even concluded. Now, of course, Vinesh Fogart has some of India's best lawyers representing her, including Harish Salve. So this is definitely the best foot forward, legally speaking, that India or Vinesh could have put forward. Whether that turns out to be enough or not remains to be seen. Our sources are telling us that they're focusing on a loophole specifically regarding the repechage bout that led to the awarding of the bronze medal, which is being pointed out as one key loophole, as a key point of contention in Vinesh's legal defense. Whether that or all the other arguments that have been put forward end up securing Vinesh and India a shared silver medal remains to be seen. And for now, we'll have to wait at least till Friday 9:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time to get a final answer.